want to do. I just miss you more than anything. It's way too quiet in the house. I'm just wasted on the couch, 'cause I don't.
Here, go sit on the floor.
This isn't how it's supposed to be. Wish you'd stayed here right with me.
So before we get into today's video, I want to talk about this baby monitor that I got from NOOIE. So one of the things that I really love about this baby monitor is it does not need to be connected to Wi-Fi, which makes the monitor hack proof. That was something that was very important for me, y'all, because people are crazy nowadays. The monitor screen is 5 inches and also the image is 720p. But just look at the color of the baby monitor, y'all. I love this neutral tone. I love how aesthetic it looks, and I also like that it will fit with any theme that you have in your kids' room. So the camera also moves, so it does go 100 degrees up and down and then 355 degrees from left to right, and I really love that because the kids' beds are like away from each other, so I can go from bed to bed. I can see what they're watching on the TV and just see what they're doing. So the baby camera also has two-way talk, which is really good for someone whose kids' room is far away from their bedroom. Jaden, what are you watching? So you could play lullabies through the baby camera. I really like that it has different soothing sounds. You can also monitor your kids' room temperature. And I really like that the baby camera does have night vision, which automatically switches based off of how much light is in your kids' room. I really love this monitor. It has helped me out a lot. And I also like the fact that once the monitor is fully charged, you can take it with you anywhere in the house and still be able to keep an eye on your kids. I will leave all of the details down below if y'all would like to check out NOOIE, and thank you so much NOOIE for sending over this baby monitor. So we usually get home from picking up Jaden around 3 something, and then once I get them a snack, I'll just let them just lay around, chill, and then around 6 is when I start making dinner. So this night I made beef stroganoff. I think it's called stroganoff. Beef stroganoff, and it was just an easy dinner for me to make for all of us. Jaden is a little bit more pickier, so I did end up making him something else to eat.
To our town, there's darkness in the valley, heavy branches crack and spin. If we holler, will you hurry? Can you feel through the wind? Blue sky calm, dancing in between us. Take us up, lay us down. Blue sky calm.
Jaden had got like a bad cough, so I was just giving him some medicine before it was time for him to eat. And then I'm like, I know this is a great value toast. But anyway, once I finally got the toast apart, I just went ahead and put that in the oven. And then I thought I had turned on the dishwasher to wash the dishes, but I forgot. So I'm just going to take a few plates out of the dishwasher so I can wash them so we can go ahead and get ready to eat.
Walking in your sleep.
So after dinner, sometimes I would just lay around and let my food digest, but a lot of the times I like to just keep going because once you eat, you're already tired, right? And I don't want to just lay around and then most likely I'm not going to get a lot done. So I'm going to put the dishes in the dishwasher, and I always like to go through Jaden's lunchbox, get all of his cups for the next day in the dishwasher so they can be ready in the morning. And then I always wipe out his, which I didn't show because his name and room number is in the lunchbox, but I always just wipe out his lunchbox with a disinfectant wipe and I leave it open so it can air out. And then I'm going to wash whatever dishes I could not put in the dishwasher, and then I'm going to put the kids in the tub, and while they're in the tub sitting and playing around, that's when I would come back into the kitchen and finish cleaning everything else that I need to clean.
The time and now it's too late. I hate to feel ignored.
This little cooking sheet pan thing, whatever, I ended up throwing the whole set away. I got it from Walmart, the whole set by Martha Stewart. I do not suggest this set. I don't know, maybe it's, I don't know. I just feel like every time I cooked on them, they just sting. They're hard to clean. So I just threw the whole set in the trash.
Fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a move body giving interviews, I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you know improve, but you ain't even flexing. And you ain't gotta try too hard. Number one fan, your side, your applaud. Got me think about inside the walls. Words cut deep, it's like a sword. Making me better, you hotter than pepper.
Mommy!
So I always like to clean out the tub really good before my kids get in the tub, because my husband, when he gets home from work, he always takes a shower, and that's way before I give the kids a bath. So I'm going to clean that out really good, fill the tub up with some nice warm water. I'm going to use the Mr. Bubbles Calm and Sweet Bubble Bath, and I also like to add a little bit of Epsom salt to their bath water just to calm them and get them ready for the night. I usually try to be very, very patient at night, but this night was like I was just overstimulated. What? Leave it.
Where's the house at?
Jaden, I asked you to take your stuff off in here. Okay, so like I was saying, while the kids was in the tub, I used that time to clean the rest of the kitchen. So I like to fill up the sink with hot water, and I put a little bit of some cleaner, and I used that water to wipe down the table and the counters in the kitchen. I was never one of those people that cannot go to sleep unless their kitchen is clean, but now since Jaden has started school, I have to have the kitchen clean before I lay down. There's days here and there where I'm just too tired. Most of the times I like to have the kitchen clean just so I have a clean space to be able to stay patient with the kids in the morning.
I wish I had the same delusion that I do when I was doing. Didn't think that I could ruin anything at all. I could never fall. I wish I had that same conviction, convinced I never needed fixing. Yeah, that girl really knew her business. Where did she go? Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, guess that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw, I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just owned it, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it like she knew.
Come on, all the toys in. Let's go.
But all the toys is doing Daddy.
Stop throwing it and just put it in the bin. Thank you. Off camera, I had the kids pick up their toys off the floor, and then I'm just going to finish off by vacuuming their room. Like I said earlier, y'all, I'm just trying to straighten up as much as I can so things can be easier in the morning for us. And then when I'm done vacuuming, I'm going to turn on their sound machine, which I really like. My mom got it from Amazon. I will have it linked down below in my Amazon storefront, but it has different sounds, and the kids really like the sound that it kind of sounds like you're on an airplane or like you're in a room without the heartbeat, and it just helps them sleep.
Cause that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw. I wish I knew.
So I always used to put the kids' wet toys in the sink to drip dry, but I ended up finding this drip dry kids bucket off of Amazon, and it's just a cute little well. It has a handle and it just has holes at the bottom so the toys can, like I said, drip dry onto the pan underneath. And I like that it's plastic, so it's easy for me to clean and disinfect it and prevent any mold from growing. So I will leave this link down below in my Amazon storefront if you was looking for something like this too. But before I take a shower, I always just sit down and I go through Jaden's folder. I check his calendar. The teacher likes to put the kids' behavior each day, and you basically just initial it, and I will sign any other papers that he have in his book bag. And then I also use this time to edit a little bit. I also go through my emails. So after my shower, I did go ahead and put on one of my favorite movies, which was Life. And I basically was just watching my movie, going to my phone, watching my movie, and just doing that until I got tired and was ready for bed. But we are towards the end of today's video. Don't forget to click the link down below and check out NOOIE's baby monitor. All of the details will be down below. I appreciate y'all so much, and I will see y'all in my next one.